Hello dear, welcome to Enoven Foods and I am your Nahida. Today we are making a traditional rich, creamy and colorful Lab-e-Shireen dessert. This festive dessert is a perfect combination of custard, fruits and sweet vermicelli. First, preparing the vermicelli. Boil some water in a pan, add 1/4 cup colored vermicelli and cook until soft. Vermicelli is light on the stomach and easy to digest. Strain the vermicelli and keep it aside. In a small bowl, take 1/3 cup custard powder and 1/2 cup milk. Mix well and keep aside. Always dissolve custard powder in cold milk before adding it to hot milk to prevent lumps. In a separate pan, heat 3 cups of milk and let it boil. The name Lab-e-Shireen means sweet lips in Persian, referring to its delightful taste. Add 1/2 cup sugar and mix until dissolved. Milk and custard provide calcium and protein for strong bones. Pour the custard mixture into the boiling milk, stirring continuously. You can use flavored custard like mango, vanilla or strawberry for a twist. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until thickened. Pour into a bowl and allow it to cool completely. Add 1/4 cup of whipping cream to the cool custard. Now add 1/4 cup each of chopped green grapes, black grapes, bananas, apples and some strawberries. Add the boiled vermicelli, some mini sweets. Use fresh and seasonal fruits to enhance the taste and texture. Mix everything well. The combination of custard, vermicelli and fruits makes it a fusion dessert with multiple texture. Lab-e-Shireen is a modern twist on traditional fruit custard, popular in Pakistan, India and the Middle East. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. Refrigerating for a few hours allows the flavors to blend beautifully. Have you ever tried Lab-e-Shireen? Let me know in the comments. Love creamy and fruity dessert. Give the video a big thumbs up. Which fruit would you love to add to the recipe? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious dessert recipes.